Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Now that the warmer weather is here, I bet you're craving the perfect smooth cold brew at home. That's exactly what you're going to get with this great system from SHELBRU. This system is designed so that you can have your cold brew flowing literally all season long. This system comes with two beautiful glass carafes that are made of borosilicate glass. Inside one of them is your cold brew maker. It could not be any simpler because the beautiful stainless steel strainer on the inside is ready for your coarse coffee grounds. Your next step is transferring that cold brew right over to the second jar, which is already set up so that you can easily pour the amount that you want in your glass, add water, your ice, your cream, whatever you want so that you will have your perfect cold brew coffee for you. The glass jars are really easy to use and transfer, and I really love that both lids fit onto each jar. So you can really get this going and keep it going by just continually transferring the cold brew over. The cold brew concentrate is nice and thick and lush. It's really ready so that you can really enjoy this beautiful, really smooth coffee. Another cool thing about this system is that the cold brew jar is nice and compact. So you get a lot of cold brew coffee out of this concentrate, and it takes up minimal room in your refrigerator. If you're looking for a system that really does all of the work for you, is beautiful looking, and best of all, makes the most luscious, delicious coffee, then you need this system. But that's just my point of view.